In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how account owners and account admins can use the Report Section Manager to create their own custom non-wizard sections for use in their reports, as well as tailor which sections show in the report builder of the different report types for their account's users. There are two types of sections in Genovo: wizard sections, which are denoted by this entry icon, and non-wizard sections, which don't have an icon. In a wizard section, the user is guided through a series of steps, and the content of the section in the report is dynamically generated as a result of the options selected and data included in the steps of the section. There are no steps for the user to complete in a non-wizard section, and the content of the section in the report is generated either by the static boilerplate content that's been added into the section, or dynamically as a result of the options selected and data included in the steps of the wizard sections included in that report. The Report Section Manager is accessed via the Customization dashboard. To view the sections that are available within the report builder of a particular report type, select the report type like so. The sections are listed out in the order they show in the report builder. For each section, you can clearly see if the section is automatically included in the report or the available sections drop down of the report builder, whether it's included in any other report types, and who it's owned by. You can also search for a particular section like so, and scroll through all the sections that are included in that report type using the navigation buttons at the bottom of the page, like so. To create your own custom non-wizard section, click Add Section. This will open a window where you will be prompted to give the section a name, select the report type or types the section should be included in, and specify where in the report builder the section should be included. If you select Automatically Included in Report, the new section will be automatically included in the main body of the report builder every time you create a new report. However, it is worth bearing in mind that it won't be inserted into the report builder of existing reports or templates. If you select Sections drop-down menu, the new section will be included in the Available Sections drop-down of the report builder of both existing and new reports and templates. So as an example, let's say I wanted to create a section containing information about the approach my company takes to consumer duty, which I want my users to be able to include in their suitability and review reports or templates when they feel it is appropriate to do so. I would give the section a name, select the report types and choose the option of Sections drop-down menu, so my users can select it from the drop-down and add it into their reports and templates when it is required. On clicking Save, you'll notice that the new section is added at the bottom of the list and marked up orange to indicate that it is owned by your company rather than Genovo. Having created a custom section, you can edit it by clicking the pencil icon and delete it by clicking the bin icon. To add content into your custom section, you will now need to navigate to the Report Content Manager. I'm not going to go into detail regarding the functionality of the Report Content Manager here, as this is covered in a separate video tutorial. However, on selecting the relevant report type, you will notice that your custom section is now included in the list of report sections. On selecting the section, you'll notice that two custom snippets have been automatically created: a section page break and a title and content snippet. It is in this snippet that it is anticipated that you will add the content of your custom section. To add content to and edit the snippet, click the edit icon, and a window will open like so. You'll notice that some content has been automatically added, including a section heading, which has been styled as a heading 1, so it comes out as a section heading when your reports are downloaded to Word. You can now edit the section heading and add content into the section as required. When pasting text into the Report Content Manager, we would always recommend that you choose the option of plain text. This will ensure that any formatting applied at source is removed from the text you paste in. It will also ensure that the text does not conflict with your selected report theme and does not come out in a different format to the rest of the text in your reports. Having pasted the text into the snippet editor, you can then style it and apply formatting as required using the control buttons included within the toolbar. You should also use the paragraph format function to ensure your text is formatted correctly to mirror the styles of your report theme. It is also possible to paste an image into the snippet editor using Ctrl+V and resize it using the drag handles just as you would in Word. Should you wish to display your custom content in tabular format, you can even add your own custom table to a snippet. To ensure your table takes on the same format and color scheme as the rest of the tables in your report when it's downloaded to Word, we would strongly recommend that you use the Insert Table function within the Snippet Editor toolbar to do this. It is also possible to create a new custom snippet. To create another custom snippet for the section, click Add Custom Snippet. This will open the Snippet Editor window much like before. However, this time you will be prompted to give the snippet a name, select the report type or types the content should come out in, and add your content. On clicking Save, you'll notice that the new snippet is added at the bottom of the section and marked up orange to indicate that it is owned by your company. You can then use the drag handles to move the snippet to where you want the content of that snippet to come out in the section. Please bear in mind that moving a custom snippet that is shared by multiple report types will also change its position in all linked report types. Having created a custom snippet, you can edit it by clicking the pencil icon and delete it by clicking the bin icon. Coming back to the Report Section Manager, it could also be the case that you wish to remove a section from a particular report type because you feel the content is unnecessary or it's not relevant to the advice service you provide. For example, you may feel that the Appendix, Attitude to Risk Profiles section serves little benefit except to bulk out the report. Or you may not advise on mortgages, and as such you would prefer that these sections didn't show in the report builder for you and your users. If so, simply hide the sections like so. If you hide a section that is automatically included in report, it will not be inserted in the report builder of any new reports or report templates created after the section has been hidden, but it will continue to show in all previously created reports and templates. If you hide a section that is configured to show in the Sections drop-down menu, it will be immediately removed from the Available Sections drop-down of the report builder for both existing and new reports and templates. Please also note that hiding a section that is shared by multiple report types only hides it for the report type selected. So that concludes this video tutorial on how to use the Report Section Manager to customize and manage the boilerplate content of your reports for you and your users. I hope it's proved useful.